There are things like neglecting work, doing work, and attitude toward work, but how would you express them in Japanese? Let's learn the frequently used expressions by Japanese people at work in this video. Hi, my name is Hide, and welcome to another episode of Japanese Unlimited. There are various attitudes towards work. Some employees do their job well, others don't. Others accidentally fall asleep after eating lunch. Well, I think you have seen or visited such people at a company once. In this video, I will introduce onomatopes that are often used as an attitude towards work. Number 1. Tekipaki. It's admirable to have employees who are given tasks by their superiors and effortlessly and efficiently complete and deliver them. That case is often described as tekipaki in Japanese. Tekipaki refers to being quick, efficient, and smooth in work or actions. For example, when she worked efficiently and successfully carried out the project, that situation could be described like this. 彼女は仕事をテキパキと進めてプロジェクトを成功させた。彼女は仕事をテキパキと進めてプロジェクトを成功させた。Which means she worked quickly and successfully completed the project. Number 2. Daradara. When you don't concentrate on your work, you cannot finish it quickly, right? Such slow work without concentration is called Daradara work. This expression is not very positive and is used when work is slow, distracted, and inefficient. Here's an example sentence. 彼はダラダラ仕事をしていて、タスクの進捗が全くない。彼はダラダラ仕事をしていて、タスクの進捗が全くない。Which means he's working lazily and without focus, and there's absolutely no progress in the task. Number 3. Odoodo. Have you ever felt flustered just before a report to a general manager or president is approaching? At the time you are in the state of being odoodo. It is an expression of being frightened, flinching, or restless. You lack self-confidence, hesitant about your words and actions, and may show a negative attitude when working on things. For example, you were extremely nervous before the presentation to a company's president. You may describe it in a sentence like this. 社長へのプレゼンの前におどおどして体が震えてしまった。社長へのプレゼンの前におどおどして体が震えてしまった。Which means I was trembling with fear before the presentation to the company's president. Number 4. Utouto. When you don't have enough sleep or after lunch, do you ever get sleepy at work and close your eyes and your head is nodding? This state is called Utouto. It expresses that consciousness is lost due to drowsiness or fatigue, and it is about to fall into a state of sleep for a short period of time. When you dozed off during the meeting and cannot remember anything, and you are asked about the agenda, you may make excuse in Japanese like this. 会議の途中でうとうとしてしまい、内容が頭に入ってこなかった。会議の途中でうとうとしてしまい、内容が頭に入ってこなかった。Which means I fell asleep in the middle of the meeting and couldn't remember anything about the content. Number 5. Boo-boo. People who are dissatisfied with their job responsibilities, working environment, or salary often express their complaints, right? In such cases, we use the word boo-boo you. This word is used to express dissatisfaction or grievances. The connotation is similar to its English equivalent, which is booing, making it quite understandable. If someone is expressing dissatisfaction with the proposal, the situation can be described like this. あの人は自分の提案に対してブーブー言っているようだ。あの人は自分の提案に対してブーブー言っているようだ。Which means it seems that person is always making a fuss about my proposal. Number 6. Sesseto. You who tackle your work hard are someone who works like Sesseto 働く. This term is slightly different from Tekipaki and is used to express the state of working hard with sweating. The Japanese sentence expressing you working so hard for your family will be like this. あなたは妻や子供のためにせっせと働いています。あなたは妻や子供のためにせっせと働いています。Which means you work so hard for your wife and son. Number 7. Pekopeko. Pekopeko is used when bowing and lowering one's head, and someone who constantly bows his or her head is referred to as Pekopeko person. It signifies someone who is humble and shows some respect to others. However, it can also be used to describe someone who apologizes frequently. Additionally, a Pekopeko person may not go against their superior's instructions or may not assert their own style. For instance, if he carries out what he's been told by his boss without offering any opinions, the sentence can be made like this. 彼は上司にいつもペコペコしており、上司の言うことはすべて従っている。彼は上司にいつもペコペコしており、上司の言うことはすべて従っている。Which means he always bows to his boss and does what his boss asks him to do. And also, when you make the same mistakes again and again, you may have to apologize for your same mistakes to your boss. The kind of situation will be described like this. 彼は同じミスをしており、いつも上司にペコペコしている。彼は同じミスをしており、いつも上司にペコペコしている。Which means he keeps making the same mistakes and constantly apologizes to his boss. Number 8. Batabata. The last word I would like to introduce is Batabata. This word is used when work is extremely busy. Imagine a situation when the task deadline is tomorrow and people in the office are frantically moving to get their work done. In such a situation, sometimes it becomes difficult for you to go to a planned dinner with your friends. The message you would send to your friends to cancel your attendance to the dinner would be like this. 今日は仕事でバタバタしており、予定していたディナーに行けなくなりました。今日は仕事でバタバタしており、予定していたディナーに行けなくなりました。Which means, today I have been very busy with work and won't be able to make it to our planned dinner. That's it for today's lesson. Were they easy or difficult? Please share your feedback in the comment section. These onomatopes are used not only in the workplace but also in daily conversations. So mastering them will help you become more familiar in conversations with your Japanese friends or colleagues. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to support our channel. And also, please make sure to turn on the notification bell if you wish to be notified for more brand new lesson videos. If you do that, your Japanese will be unlimited. Goodbye and see you on our next video. またね!